The daughter of an indigenous woman who was murdered in a hotel room a decade ago says a judge's decision to sentence her mother's killer to 12.5 years in prison is a sign of justice. But Cheyanne Gladue says the heartbreak over losing her mother, Cindy Gladue, will never go away. That will never change, Gladue's youngest daughter told the media outside the Edmonton courthouse on Tuesday. Queen's Bench Court Judge Stephen Hillier said Ontario trucker Bradley Barton will receive credit for the days he has already spent in custody, leaving about 11 years left on his sentence. A jury found Barton guilty in February of manslaughter in the death of Gladue, 36, a Métis and Cree woman who died in room 139 at the Yellowhead Inn in June 2011. Medical experts testified that the mother of 3 children had 4 times the legal limit for alcohol in her system when Barton left her in a bathtub where she bled to death. Crown prosecutors argued that while Gladue passed out, Barton performed a sexual act that resulted in a severe wound to her vagina and threw her into the bathtub. A medical expert testified that if Gladue had received immediate medical help, she could have lived. Barton's attorney, Dino Bottos, told the media after the sentencing decision that his client will appeal his conviction within 30 days because there are strong grounds for appeal. Bottos said one of the main reasons for the appeal is evidence from Barton's laptop search history showing that 9 days before Gladue was killed, Barton searched for graphic videos. Discovering as an aggravating factor that Mr. Barton knew he was going to harm Ms. Gladue based on her internet search history was unfair. The Crown included her search terms in the lawsuit, but did not put them in what he would really have found. Barton testified during his trial that he had agreed to pay Gladue for a night of rough sex, and was shocked when he woke up in the morning to find her dead. Crown prosecutors had recommended that Barton be sentenced to between 18 and 20 years. The defense, saying that the Crown did not prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Barton intended to kill Gladue, had suggested no more than 9 years.